For those of us that work in hard news, we understand that it's not so easy to always come up with a story. So when we see something that all of the internet says is true, we rush to judgment. Yesterday, I said that Will and Jada Smith live an openly swinging lifestyle, which still might be true. But I also said they got divorced, and for that, I'd like to apologize. In fact, Will even responded to all the hoopla on Facebook saying, "Under normal circumstances, I don't usually respond to foolishness because it's contagious. But so many people have extended me their deepest condolences that I figured, what the hell? I can be foolish too." So in the interest of redundant, over and over againness, Jada and I are not getting divorced. Jada then wrote, "My king has spoken." Will and Jada then proceeded to have makeup sex with other people. George's girlfriend would not be happy. PEZ are getting their own movie. Envision Media Arts are developing a script by Cameron Fay, who, if he were here right now, I'd ask him how old he is. His other work includes the upcoming Brother-in-Laws with Taron Killam and Bobby Moynihan. Now, Envision Media Arts founder Lee Something says, "With Cameron, we've created a unique world to PEZ and a story that will touch the hearts of many." Now, if the film is anything like real PEZ, it'll sit on the shelf for years unused, but when tried, it won't work. Even if it did, the contents inside would vaporize into chalk because it's just so goddamn old. Seinfeld trivia: what's the name of George's girlfriend? Do not Google it. Let us know in the comments below, and you can win something. Fox Sports is being sued for religious bias by former analyst Craig Jones, who is anti-gay. Now, Craig was not welcomed back to his job at ESPN after he unsuccessfully ran for state senate in Texas in 2012. In 2013, he got a job with Fox Sports, which only lasted a week, and he is suing because he says he was fired for his religious beliefs and his opposition to gay marriage. Fox Sports is saying Craig abused an on-air position to further his personal agenda, and he was fired based on that alone. Craig, you're suing Fox for not being Christian enough? Have you watched anything in the last 20 years? The tagline for Fox News is Fox News, where there are no Jews. And that rhymed. For your Stream TV update, I'm Dylan Landon.